Hey everybody, Mike here with Cactus Crawlers RC. Thanks for coming by and checking out the video today. And what I'm talking about today is my Element Enduro Trailwalker. And up until recently, I've had the Ecto body on here, and I called it Fecto the Fake Ecto because it wasn't a real Ecto. It didn't have the trailing arms, and so that was kind of fitting of a name. But recently, I acquired this really cool carbon fiber Team Garage Hack chassis in a trade, and I transferred everything over from the Element onto this chassis, and it was just about a straight over bolt. Unfortunately, when I was fitting the Ecto body on here, I went a little crazy with the scissors trying to you know, get it to squat down on the chassis, and I'm embarrassed to say I just kind of made a mess of Fecto the Fake Ecto, so he is no longer with us anymore. Unfortunately, I no longer have the Trailwalker body. That one as well was cut up and modified till I just ended up having to get rid of it. So the hunt was on for a new body for this. The first thing was I thought I might have the perfect utility bed for this that I purchased a long time ago, and this is for the Sendero. And I bought this maybe a year and a half, almost 2 years ago, and I've only tried it one time on my 66 Chevy single cab setup, and I really didn't like it for that truck. So I just kind of put this in the closet. So I needed a cab. I could have got a Sendero cab. That would have been cool, you know, but my friends that I was crawling with at the G6 had hard bodies, and I was looking at a bunch of different hard bodies, just tearing up Amazon, looking at everything. And what I ended up going with in the end was the good old-fashioned Toyota Hilux, the Mojave body from RC 4-wheel drive. So I went ahead and decided to go with this cab because I already had the back plate from when I got the RC 4-wheel drive Trail Finder 2 kit, which gave you the option of putting on the half cab with the bed or this full back on there. And I decided to use the half one because I was going to put the bed on the Trail Finder. So I had this back plate laying around not doing anything, and I thought, you know what, if I got a cab, I already have the back plate for that. Right on. So the next step I have in this build is I have to attach the utility bed to the cab, install the dashboard. I don't have a windshield yet. Oh, before I install the dashboard, I'm going to have to paint this thing. I haven't even figured out what I'm going to paint this guy. Once I get everything all bolted as one unit and I can mock it up on the chassis better, then I'll be able to figure out how I'm going to mount it to the chassis. They do make custom sliders that would work. They're not from Team Garage Hack, they're from G-Speed, but they do allow you to bolt this right to them. So I might have to spring for a set of those, but other than that, I really like it. I like the way it looks. Awesome. Thanks again for checking out this episode of Cactus Crawlers RC. Be sure to come back again next time when I do some more to my Element Enduro with the Mojave 2 body on there, my new G6 ride, and we'll see y'all next time.